Okay guys, so for those of you that are familiar with Divi, it's a fantastic builder for WordPress. Not only can you use it on websites that aren't using the Divi theme, but you can use it with, it comes bundled with the Divi theme itself. So they've recently updated to version 4. There's been a couple of bug fixes that have been released, so we're now on 4.0.2. And I found a bug which I've reported to Elegant Themes, which is all to do with the Divi module blurb. So it's the blurb module from Divi, and I'm going to show you exactly what the problem is. So let's go ahead and build a new page. We'll call this let's have 3 wide, and we're going to have a blurb module. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this test text 1, and then I'm going to put a border around it, so rounded corners, border width like that, and the content I'm going to add an image, so I'm just going to use one from here. So we'll take the wheel and we're going to make that thumbnail size. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just simply going to clone that. So we've got 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is call this one 2, and I'm going to call this one 3, like so. Then I'm going to give it a title, so test page, and that should do it. So we'll save that off, and then I can show you the issue that we've got. So as you can see here, I've got my 3 blurb modules. I'm actually going to go in and center the text. So we do that by title text center. Should have done that on the first one, and then I could have just copied it, of course. But just tidy it up a bit. So what I actually want on my modules, I want a little greater than symbol which suggests that there's additional content, makes you want to click through. You could always use a read now button, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the greater than symbol, and I'm going to put it on my center module like this, put a couple of spaces there in the greater than sign. Now normally I would expect that to show up, but in this instance Divi thinks it's a piece of code or a closing script for a piece of code, and you get this bug, so it breaks the Divi module. So the only way around that, if you wanted to use that, is to come back to your module, and instead of having the greater than sign here, you could put and GT, which is the greater than symbol. We update that, and then we go back to our page, and as you can see here, we've got the greater than symbol. So it is a bug, it has been reported, it's being looked into. But for those of you that come across this in any of your title texts or any other place within Divi, then the fix is to use the and GT symbol, which gives it the greater than sign. So that's it. If you found that useful, it'd be great if you could like the video and also subscribe to our channel. We will be adding more Divi videos as and when we come across things. But yeah, thanks for watching.